I'm Miss Joanne from the Berkeley Library, and today we're going to make hummus. And then I'm going to show you how to make it even better. So first, let's start with our basic hummus recipe. You start with 2 cans of chickpeas. They're also called garbanzo beans. You need olive oil, lemon juice, tahini, which is a sesame paste, and garlic. So let's get started. This is really simple. I drained the cans, rinsed them and drained the chickpeas earlier. We put that in. We do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. One, 2, a half teaspoon of cumin. I love how it smells. 2 lemons. Now, you might have a lemon juicer at home. I just use a fork. Ooh, this is nice and juicy. Oh, look at that. Oh, that smells so good. Love a fresh squeezed lemon. Makes all the difference. If you can get a fresh lemon instead of the little plastic lemon that we use sometimes, so much better. You know what? That had so much juice in it. Let's see if 1 lemon is enough. Then we need some garlic. That's how I just crushed the garlic a little bit. I put it flat on my cutting board and put the knife flat on top of it and then press down really careful. You may want to make sure you don't cut your hand. This is maybe something we get help from a grown-up for. Then the skin comes right off. It says that you need 2 cloves. This was 1 clove, but it's pretty big, so I think 1 is probably good. And that's it. We now put the lid on the food processor. Okay, we've been putting it in the food processor for just a minute now. It's coming along nicely. I'm going to use a spatula to smooth down the sides. Make sure it all gets blended up. And if it seems like it's a little too thick, maybe the texture's not quite right, you can add in a tablespoon or 2 of just cold water. I just remembered, when I was cleaning up, I forgot to add the tahini. It's a very important ingredient. We just need 2/3 of a cup. And we'll just blend it for another minute. Okay, so we have our hummus, and it tastes delicious. So it would be wonderful to eat right now just as it is. Put it in a bowl and have it with some carrots, some pita chips, any kind of veggie you want to dip. You can spread it on a sandwich. However you want to eat it, it's delicious. But now we're going to make loaded hummus. So you take a nice wide, shallow plate, and we're very careful with this. Maybe we ask a grown-up for help. And we want to spread the hummus onto the plate. Just looks so lovely and soothing, I think. Now we're going to top it with lots of delicious things. Little drizzle of olive oil. It's a classic topping. Some kalamata olives. I chop them up. Some roasted red peppers. Beautiful and very colorful. Adds lots of flavor to an already very flavorful food. Some crumbled feta. And maybe a little lemon zest. If you have a zester, if not, not a big deal. This is also something you might need to ask a grown-up for help with, because this can be pretty sharp. And one more thing, some parsley. Loaded hummus. Definitely a crowd pleaser if you'd like to make it for a party. Maybe you decide it's a special day because it's a Tuesday. Whatever you decide makes a special event, but it's healthy, it's delicious, so flavorful, and I hope you get to give it a try.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.